As the world is observing International Day commemorating the victims of acts of violence based on religion or belief today, atrocities against the Kashmiri Muslims and other minorities in occupied Jammu and Kashmir continue unabated. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service in connection with the day today maintained that the Indian troops are even denying the Kashmiri people their right to observe their religious practices. Indian forces continued cordon and search operations in different areas of the occupied Kashmir. The army and paramilitary forces conducted operations against the pro-freedom activists in different areas of Islamabad, Kulgam, Pulwama, Kupwara, Poonch and Rajouri districts. All parties, Hurriyat Conference leaders and parties have denounced the use of military and police force to suppress the people's genuine voice for their right to self-determination. APAC leaders in their separate statements deplored that nearly 1 million Indian occupation forces were patrolling the roads and streets of occupied Kashmir had utterly failed to block the legitimate right to self-determination. New Delhi has inducted a wheeled armed amphibious platform vehicle into the armory of its Central Reserve Police Force to suppress the freedom sentiments in the occupied Kashmir. WHAP is an 8x8 vehicle that is jointly built by its Defence Research and Development Organization. At least 6 residential houses were gutted in an incident of fire in the Sopore area. The incident took place when a massive fire engulfed the Shahbad area of the town. There was no loss of life. The fire has rendered more than 6 families homeless, while a man was found hanging in an orchard in Zainapura area of the South Kashmir's Shopian district on Tuesday. The police have taken cognizance of the matter. Leadership of National Conference and People's Democratic Party, while giving a shut-up call to India over the induction of Mushal Malik, the wife of Muhammad Yasin Malik, in the federal cabinet as an internal matter of Pakistan, and said that New Delhi should be least bothered about the matter. Talking to reporters in Srinagar, National Conference Central Leader Umar Abdullah said, "Does Pakistan ask India which ministers should be appointed?" Indian authorities imposed Section 144 in parts of the Samba district of the Jammu region to quell the ongoing protests against the Modi regime in the occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The restrictions under Section 144 were particularly imposed around the Saror Toll Plaza on the Jammu-Pathankot highway. Senior APAC leader and Tehreek-e-Wahdat-e-Islami patron Nisar Ahmed Rathar passed away today in Srinagar. Nisar Ahmed was suffering from diabetes from a long time.